Submarine cable disruptions are expected to rise, which is why the EU is strengthening the security of these critical infrastructures through a specific action plan. This strategy takes up the concept of cable projects of European interest, the CPEIs, developed in the 2024 cable recommendations to identify strategic backbones and to safeguard them.
So what are CPEIs? In February this year, we, the European Commission, identified with Member States a list of priority areas in which we would like to prioritize public funding for submarine cable infrastructures. They span across the globe and focus on 3 priority stages of 5 years each, from 2025 to 2040. Projects that are successful in a call for proposals on these areas will be considered Cable Projects of European Interest, or CPEIs, a concept developed under the 2024 Cable Recommendation.
Why and how was the list established?
With an increasingly unstable geopolitical environment and submarine cable incidents expected to increase, the European Commission needed to focus funding from its programs. This work reflects a broad compromise with the backing of Member States through a cables expert group.
Are all projects in these areas automatically CPEIs?
Not all projects in these areas can automatically be considered CPEIs, but this is important to clarify. If you have a project within a CPEI priority area and have received EU funding in the past, you're on a good track to becoming a CPEI. However, any formal recognition can only be achieved from succeeding in a funding call specifically related to CPEIs.
What role is the EU Cable Risk Assessment and Security Toolbox going to play?
Besides providing an in-depth risk analysis and recommending measures to address them, the EU Risk Assessment from last October and the Cable Security Toolbox from February this year provide important guidance to succeed in funding calls. Proposals will be expected to explain how they address the mentioned risk scenarios and toolbox measures.
What is the link between the CPEIs and CEF Digital?
Over the next 2 years, through the Connecting Europe facility, the CEF Digital program, we plan to invest 347 million euros to fund CPEIs to boost the EU's cable repair capacity and integrate smart sensing technologies into strategic submarine infrastructures.
What has CEF already done to address these priorities?
Through the CEF Digital program, we already strengthened the security and resilience of the EU's digital backbones. The program has already financed more than 70 projects, with a budget of over 600 million already committed. Of those, a vast majority are submarine cable projects, benefiting from a funding of almost 550 million.
Which calls for proposals are planned and when?
In 2026, we already launched 3 CEF Digital calls, totaling 220 million to fortify EU connectivity. 20 million focusing on cable repair modules, specifically for the Baltic area, 20 million on sensing capabilities for submarine cables, and a major 180 million call to support CPEI infrastructures. Later this year, we will publish a second call for cable repair modules worth 40 million, and in 2027, there will be the final call of 87 million to support CPEI infrastructures. These investments are the key to a more resilient, secure, and sovereign European Union.